In this video, we'll be giving a demonstration of the cart motion lab for the MAE 3340 instrumentation class. Begin by completing the wiring as directed by your lab instructions. Once wired correctly, open the LabVIEW basic voltage capture software. Before changing any of the settings in the program, run on continuous mode to ensure that both the ultrasonic sensor and the accelerometer are functioning properly. To calibrate the ultrasonic sensor, start by ensuring that the AI0 tab is turned on. Set the voltage to plus or minus 10 and the data acquisition type to high speed. In the high speed setup tab, set acquisition time to 3 seconds and the sampling rate to 100 Hz. Measure the average voltage and standard deviation of the cart at 15 centimeter increments. Record your results in an Excel spreadsheet. To calibrate the accelerometer screwed into the top of the cart, use the same settings as previously used for the ultrasonic sensor, but switch to using the AI1 tab. Begin by flipping the cart upwards 90 degrees so that the X on the accelerometer chip is facing downwards. This is your voltage at negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Run the test again with the cart flat and with the X facing up for your 0 and positive 9.8 meters per second squared values. Record results in an Excel spreadsheet. Now that everything is wired and calibrated, you're ready to begin testing. Make sure that both of the sensors are turned on within the program and press the right to spreadsheet button. Measure the mass of the cart using a scale, then using materials such as a toolbox, lift up one end of the track so that it is at an angle between 5 and 10 degrees. Move the cart up the incline to the 15 centimeter mark on the track. Hold the cart steady and make sure not to block the ultrasonic sensor. Turn on the VI program and drop the cart. For trial 2, follow the same steps but use weights to increase the mass of the cart. Record the mass and run the test again. For the third trial, adjust the angle to between 10 and 15 degrees. Run the cart without added mass. For the next step, you'll no longer need the accelerometer. Remove it from the cart. Remove the associated wiring from the MAE. Remove all rod masses from the cart and attach a spring to the pin on the opposite end of the cart. Elevate the opposite end of the track and attach the spring there. Follow the lab instructions for test method and record your results. After you've recorded all the results, make sure to save your graphs from earlier and clean up your lab space.